Hi, my name is Caitlin with Next Level SEO OKC, and I spoke with your front office today about sending you guys this quick video on some tips and tricks on how to add some things to your website and get you guys some new clients and customers through that website. So we'll kind of go through three different things today: content, citations, and backlinks. And with that, we'll also go through how important it is to get you on Google organically and with your Google Map Pack. So as we go through that, we will start with your content. Now, when I'm talking about content, I'm talking about all of this stuff. So really, this needs to be a lot bigger. And you guys need a call to action. So, enter, like right here, you have enter your name, email, phone number. That needs to be gigantic, maybe right here. So Google really likes you guys to have anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, on your home page. And you guys have 204 just in this area. So you really need to get some content on there, and that will help Google recognize you guys as the expert in this niche. Now with that, I'll go through this. This is a program I use called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. And you guys can get this for yourself. It gives you a bird's eye view of the back side of your guys' website. Now, DR is domain rating. You guys are at 0. Super important that you get some rating on there because Google looks at that to, again, push you at the top of the Google searches. Now, backlinks are small links, when a potential client is reading a blog or a post or an article, it might say teeth whitening or veneers, and a client will click that. That's a backlink coming back to your guys' website. And that would be on one domain, so referring domains. This needs to be incredibly higher with a lot more referring domains. Now with that, organic keywords are going to be what clients search in Google to find your services. So here's your guys's, or part of your guys's name there. 250 people search that per month. KD is going to be keyword difficulty. So how many other businesses and companies are using this specific keyword in their content to drive traffic? And so you want this number between 1 and 5. So this is a little bit high, but still doable. With that, you guys are getting 8 people that click onto your website from this of 250. Because you're position number 9. Now, Google has 10 positions on the first page of businesses, but you guys really, the golden spot is between 1 and 5. So there's a lot of kind of random stuff on here. You guys want to really get this volume up. So it's going to be not as specific as piercings, but kind of some other stuff I'll show you here in a moment. So where I found your guys' competition was I looked up a big keyword, which was dentist in Brockton, MA. Now, that specific sort of words pulled up 400 people searching per month with only 4 as their keyword difficulty. So relatively not difficult at all to grab. Excuse me. With that, let's see here. Once you search there, you will find this area. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen this if you are searching for a restaurant, to get your hair done, those things, you will find what we call a Google Map Pack. Now what you do is you create a Google account, you put your business into that account, they will send you a postcard to your mailing address. You take the code from that postcard and put it into your Google account, therefore creating your Google My Business or GMB. Now with that, we would add a phone number icon here because then people will Google this, click that phone number, and you have a potential client. You have some traffic going straight to your business. Now, where I did pull your competition was on the organic listing, and we will go over what citations are, but citations will be here for your Google My Business, but your backlinks and your content and your pictures, all of that will go and drive your organic listing up. So once we click onto that first company, it's A1 Dental, and A1 Dental only has 564 words for their content on their front page. Not a whole lot to compete with. We definitely can beat them out in that area. As far as their overview of their website, they have a little bit going on, but really not a whole lot to compete with, or that we can't compete with. So 1.1 for their domain rating, how much power their website's getting on the internet. 12 backlinks on 8 referring domains, not a lot at all. Where they're really gaining some ground is their keywords. Brockton Dentist, Dentist in Brockton MA, 450 volume, 8 KD, not rough, 150 people that are searching Brockton Dentist are coming to their website, and they're calling their phone number because they have the first position on Google. And if you really look at these, they got a lot of volume, a lot of keywords with a lot of volume, and they're on the first page. This one's on or the first position, this one's second position. I mean, they're right there at the top. So if we can hit some of these same keywords, we can take a lot of their traffic. The last thing I'll go over is kind of what we talked about, which are citations. So A1 Dental only has 11 citations. Now what those are is you will take your name, address, and phone number and enter them into a lot of different websites. And when you enter them into websites, you're creating a citation, or essentially an internet version of the white pages. So A1 Dental only has 11 citations, and you guys have 43. And that's pretty great to have 43. But again, they're not all created equal. You need some that have some power. So, you guys can sort through, or I would sort through all those citations and see if we can get some more to drive straight to you guys. Now, with that, after 6 months of my clients being with me, I want them to have 350 to 500 citations, period. I mean, that's really what's going to drive your guys's, the most important part of Google. So I know that was a lot of information. I would love to answer any questions you had. So if you guys do have any, please give me a call at 405-627-2693 or shoot me an email at caitlin@nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.